I'm here with Michael Olson from American First Finance. Michael, tell us a little bit about where AFF sits in the perfect lender lineup.
Well, AFF is basically a prodigy of customers that were looking for access to low-cost payment options. So when you talk about the customers that typically weren't getting approved through traditional means, AFF was that niche that could go out there and really offer a lower cost payment option other than them going to maybe a Rent-A-Center or an Aaron's or things like that. And they could go to their local retailer and find the products that they really wanted to buy, but just didn't have the means to do that.
Right.
You know, when you've got a customer that is sometimes struggling, they are looking for a solution that is sometimes out of their control. So for
Sure.
example, when, furniture is a little different, but appliances, when they break, what do you do?
Right.
So uh, and they, in most cases, only have, maybe $300 or $400 in savings.
Right.
And now you're seeing the cost of goods going up, so that when you can, really kind of break that down, most of them aren't really necessarily looking at the overall cost. They're looking for the what that payment structure is. You
Absolutely.
see
Yeah.
that with cars, you see that with furniture, and certainly in a lot of other verticals as well. And so AFF took it one step further and really created a solution that not only would support just furniture, but a number of different verticals as well, which is one of the reasons we have our LTO product, or lease to own
Yeah.
product, as well as our bank products.
Yeah. So speaking of the other verticals, what are those verticals that you guys serve?
Sure. Some of the verticals that we'll see are, the elective medical.
Right.
You're also seeing the dental and the automotive space. That's probably another big one for us.
Okay.
Tires and rims, service for auto. You might even see certainly the home improvement side of things, right?
Yeah.
A lot of people are looking to, certainly stay at home, have the home entertainment, outdoor living spaces, among others. But those are probably the big ones. Some of the newer ones that we're getting into as well are going to be the cell phone industry,
Very nice.
electronics, musical instruments, among others as well.
Awesome. And what would you say to that retailer right now who only has that one tier of financing option? Maybe they only have a prime lender and they're
Sure. Well, what you'd want to say is you're probably seeing customers leaving the store, not making a purchase. Sometimes if they don't even see that there's a point of sale that even specifies whether or not they have that type of a payment option, they may even turn around and walk out.
Yep.
Because they're thinking this is going to be too expensive for me and I don't have the means to purchase it all up front. So first and foremost, just educating the customer, letting the retailer know, hey, if you've got those payment options, you're more apt to have that customer purchase there, because if you don't have it, somebody else down the street is going
Exactly.
to have that. So you really want to capture as much traffic as possible. I'm sure everybody's got the up sheets and things like that they're always kind of watching. And in the past, it used to be that probably 75% of the traffic was coming in, looking and not finding what they wanted. They'd tell you, well, I just really didn't see what I was looking for.
Right.
Come to find out, they were really kind of looking for that payment
A
solution.
lower payment.
And when you look at back in the day, there were situations where there were customers. There was only a certain demographic that certainly was that prime customer, or that customer that had the FICO,
Sure.
and had access. And now, certainly, you're trying to cover the majority of customers. And certainly with our bank products that do report to the credit agencies, that helps to kind of bring them back up.
Right.
And
That's huge.
absolutely. It provides them the opportunity to get into it, maybe even a secondary or even a primary. So having multiple payment options in different tiers will allow you to cover more demographics in your market.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Michael. It's always a pleasure.
Appreciate it.